Today I'm going to show you how to make a very delicious Moroccan Zaalouk recipe, which is eggplant and tomato salad. So it contains eggplant, tomatoes, paprika, cumin, garlic and herbs. It's super easy to make. Take 4 to 6 tomatoes, chop them up and put them into a pan. And then you get your aubergines, so you need 2 large aubergines which you will slice. You then put them into a pan with some garlic and some olive oil. You would put it in the oven for 20 to 30 minutes on 180 degrees. You then add some paprika and some cumin. You need 2 tablespoons of each. You add in your parsley and your coriander and some garlic and mix it in with 2 tablespoons of oil. Mix it up all together with a bit of salt. Add it to the tomatoes with 2 cups of water and then start to boil slowly for about 15 minutes. Once the aubergine is ready and nice and soft, you scoop out the aubergine inside, which will be nice and garlicky and soft. And you then put it all into a separate dish, scoop it all out and add it to the tomato. This should cook for about 15 minutes in total. And once you've done that, you'll have a very delicious Moroccan salad, which can be enjoyed